Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy, and today I'll show you how to take screenshots in Mac. So first option, command shift and 3. Command shift and 3 will take entire screen as a screenshot. It will take entire screen. Okay, there is option 2 also. So command shift and 4. So it will let you select an area. It will give an option to select an area. So I'm going to select this piece of area. So take a screenshot of that area. This is the screenshot of our selected area. There is one more option called option 3, command shift and 5. So there is, you can take the screenshot of entire screen, or you can take a selected window, or you can take a portion. Right, this is the portion. You can also the drag and drop, so you can take any portion of the view, and also you can take it a captures selected window, and this is the window. It will take it. Otherwise you can also take entire screen. So just click on capture, so it's to entire the screen image. That's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hope you like the video. Please subscribe to